Okay, guys, so leaving off from the last video, I said that at the end of the video, I said I think there's no solution, and it turns out I was right. There is no solution for that one. The ones on the test will be more friendly. You may have to do just as much work or more, but they should have decent solutions. Make sure you check them to check if any of them are extraneous. Okay, so for this one, we have an automobile factory manufacturing engines. The unit cost C. Depends on the number of engines made. Then it's given by the function. So we have the function 90. How many engines were made to minimize the cost? Now, to do this, guys, you need to watch the video I did on the applications of. It was the applications of quadratics, and there's a whole flow chart about it. And so make sure you watch that. So for this first part, because it's minimized, I'm going to be doing a vertex. We want to know the x value because x is the engines. So we have x is equal to negative 96 over 2 times 1/2, which is going to be net 96 over 1, which is 96 engines. What is the minimum cost? So if they're going to produce these 96 engines, what's the minimum cost? Then that's going to be 0.5 times 96 squared minus 96 squared plus 17,540. I don't know what 96 squared is. 96 times 96. So this is going to be 9216. Half of that is 4608. 7540. So we have 17,540 minus 4608, and that's 12,932. So this one was x is equal to 96 engines. And this was dollars, okay? So that's pretty much how you do that. For these ones, guys, I'm going to give you a couple. Make sure you know the rules and tricks. This is 2 to what power is equal to 32? Well, 2 to the 5th. You just have to kind of know those, or multiply it out. Maybe do 2 times 2 times 2 and see what it equals. And then once you get to the 32, you'll know what you're doing. This one's 4 to what power is equal to 4 to the 5th? Well, that's x is equal to 5. Okay, pretty quick. And then for these ones, you want to expand. So when it's multiplying, you just add them. So log 327 plus log 3x squared plus log 3y. Okay, and then powers and take care of this. This is actually a number. This is 3 to what power is 27? That's 3. 2 log x, 3x. I don't like that. 3 plus log 3y. Okay, so there's that. And then to condense, if it's positive on top, negative on bottom, this is going to be log 3x squared minus 4, sorry, not 4. We're just going backwards. Minus log 3y to the 4th. Log 4z. I don't know if that should be a 3 or not. If it's not meant to be a 3, then we'll just leave it. But for now, we can just pretend like it's supposed to be a 4. This is going to be log 3x squared over y to the 4th plus log 4z. So notice I did not combine these because the base was not the same. You cannot do that if they're not the same, so make sure that you're careful. I don't think I put it like that on the test, but there is a possibility, so just be careful. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you fully simplify these things and know things like how to do x to the 2/3 and say that that's, I don't know. Let's say you do x to the 3/5. That's the 5th root of x to the 3rd. Okay, know how to do stuff like that. It will help you with the test, I hope. All right, thank you guys.